Hi guys, it's January. I'm back with Crafternoon. I hope you guys had a great holiday and Happy New Year. So, we're starting off with a bang, you guys. Sticker book time. Well, Sticker Doodle Book time. How's that? That'd be fun. Okay, so what we're gonna give you is a fun little baggie chocked full of goodness. It's got papers to make your book and a bunch of stickers to create, doodle, and stick in your book. In your book, remember? Okay, so what you're going to need from home is liquid glue, something to wipe up if you need it, some scissors, some crayons, and some pens to doodle or color with. So let's get started. Okay, so each of you is going to get a 6x6 paper, and then what we're going to do is we're going to fold them in half. So no wrong way to fold them in half, just meet them together. What's neat about a 6x6 is you can fold it this way too, and it's still going to work, okay, to make our sticker book. Okay. So I got started a little bit, so I started this one because I wanted to show you something cool. So you can make a pocket, okay? And let me show you. So you need two pieces, and you need to decide if you want the white on the outside or the color stuff. So I think I'm going to do the color stuff this time. You're gonna take your glue and you're gonna put a thin layer of glue close to the side, but not directly on the side, because you know what glue does, right? You push it down, it goes, and right out it goes out of our paper and makes a big mess. We at least have our napkin, right? Or tissue to clean it up with. Let's see if I can do this. Okay. So we put it together and then we push it down really soft with our fingers so our glue doesn't like squirt out all over. And then this is what it's gonna look like. A little tiny pocket for your stickers. What do you guys think? Pretty cool, right? So here's another one with the colored paper, and you just can stick stuff in. So you can hold your stickers, you could take it with you with your sticker book, right? And then what you're gonna do is, so I have these two together, and then let's see, we're gonna add some more. Okay, so I'm gonna flip it this way so that I can have more white pages to doodle on. Okay. So this one isn't going to be a pocket, it's just going to be a closure, okay? So you just do a little bit of glue, and you can zigzag it, run it across. It's really fun, you can do whatever you want. And then you just fold them together and push with your fingers again so it attaches. Because this is wet glue, it will take, you know, a little bit to dry, but that's okay. And then we're gonna do this, and I'm gonna switch it to the pink. So see what I'm doing? I can do, whoops, I switched it the wrong way. Ha, silly me. So this one would be all white, this one's gonna be pink side, right? And so this guy's not gonna be a pocket either. You could make them all pockets if you really wanted to. But I'm gonna make some pockets, and I'm gonna make some pages with no pockets. What's really cool is you could, if you have paper at home and you can cut it this size, that you can just keep adding to your sticker book, and you can have it as big as you want. Okay. So I'm going to add my other pocket. you guys can make it as big as you have paper. Oh, that's what's cool. Okay, so did we add this pocket too? We should. Let's do it. Okay, and adding more glue. This is sure pretty paper. You guys are gonna get like a mix of all kinds of paper, colors, just fun stickers. I love these ones. These are the dinosaur ones. You might recognize them from the first Crafternoon. You can actually draw on those, which is pretty cool. Okay. So, see, I have all these papers left over, and I could keep adding and adding and adding if I wanted to. It's because your book can be as much as you want. Okay, so I'm just wiping my glue off because it kind of squirted out on me, you know. So, oh, got it on the table too. So I left this as a blank, like white piece, and then I left this as a colored. So remember, they're just like alternating back and forth. So I don't know, but I think that you should like draw a picture or write your name so everybody knows it's your sticker book, right? So I'm gonna put Jamie, and I think since I have a red pen, I'm gonna put hearts all over the front. Right? Just because I have a red pen, I think that would be fun. And then do swirlies. What are these called? I always thought they were like confetti or something like that. Does anybody know? Okay, I'm gonna put this down and let's see. I got some stickers. Let's do, I love libraries. I don't know if you guys know that. I love to read. So I'm gonna put my libraries rock sticker here. And then I'm gonna open it up. And then you can just start putting stickers in and doodling. Let's see. Ooh, this one's pretty cool. Can make a band. So make a music page, right? Just stick them all over. Wonder what you guys are gonna make. You guys have a lot of stickers in this bag right here, so it's gonna be super fun. So I think I'm gonna make a music page. Make a music note. You guys ever drawn a music note? It's kind of like an F with a little circle. Did you guys know that? How many of you out there have made a music note? What's really cool is you can just keep adding to them. So see, you can just do like a square and some circles, or I'm gonna stop there just because I want to keep going and show you more stuff. So here's our pocket. So whoops. So what I did to fit my stickers in, here comes the scissors, right? As I cut them so that they will fit in the pockets. And I try to cut them a little bit big so that they kind of hang out, so you can kind of see, like, these are like my science stickers, my robot stickers. You guys want to see? So see, isn't that cool? And then that way you can kind of see what they are. So I think with these ones, let's make a table. Here's my table. And then I'm going to make my chair. Right? And then I'm going to have my robot. See, he's sitting down in his chair. So I'm going to have my robot in his chair. What do you guys think? I love this. And then on his table, I'm going to color in like a test tube thing with smoke bubbling out. And then I'm going to put another sticker. Well, let's see what else we got. Oh, how about these guys under the table reading about science experiments? I wonder what they're going to come up with next. So you guys can doodle away and put your stickers in here, and you guys can just go have fun. Okay, guys? I'll see you next week. Bye.